Welcome inside a modern Coca-Cola factory. Today, we'll follow the complete journey from raw materials to the finished bottle. The process begins with water. It is carefully filtered and purified to ensure exceptional quality and safety.
Next comes refined sugar, one of the key ingredients used to create the beverage's sweet taste. The sugar is dissolved and prepared for the next stage of production.
Ingredients are blended together to create a concentrated syrup that forms the foundation of the beverage. The finished syrup is stored and carefully monitored before moving to the blending stage. The syrup is blended with purified water in exact proportions to create the beverage base. Carbon dioxide is added under pressure, creating the refreshing fizz and bubbles that make cola unique. Meanwhile, empty bottles are produced using advanced manufacturing technology. Before bottling is approved, every batch undergoes strict quality testing, carbonation, taste consistency, ingredient balance, and product safety to ensure every bottle meets company standards. The finished beverage is carefully filled into bottles with incredible precision. After sealing, each bottle passes through an automated labeling system. High-speed machines apply labels with precision, while sensors verify proper placement and quality before packaging. Once labeling is complete, the bottles are automatically grouped into packs. Advanced robotic systems organize, wrap, and prepare each product for shipment. Finished products are transferred to the warehouse, where automated systems stack and organize them for distribution across regional markets. From the factory, Coca-Cola products travel through an extensive distribution network to stores and restaurants. After a carefully controlled manufacturing process,